Well, we're going to start recording because we're fixing to nail that thing. Fortunately, I have an air nailer with 3-inch nails. Here we go. Very easy. That's very easy to nail with an air nailer. That's it. Goodbye. Well, now that we got that board nailed in there, the next thing we have to do is build a form to pour concrete. At least why that much is done, and that just about squared up the doorway. Goodbye. What's holding up this end of the bar is a piece of 1/2-inch reinforcing bar. It's cut to be exactly the same length as the width of a 2x4. Goodbye.